form up here once you save them. So because basically that's where you're saving them to. Now, if there is a sub page within a sub page, that sub page then becomes apparent. Let me show you what we're talking about. So we're going to view this. So here's the About Us page, right? So maybe you decide you want to tell people here about your company, but you want to add a new page and give your bio. So you would say, you would say say like this, something like CEO bio or something like that. Now you notice right here what you are doing here. This technically is a category for pages. Again, this is technically a category. So that page, you save this page. You'll publish that page, obviously put your information in there, photos, tables, whatever it is you think you need to do. And let's view that real quick. There's no information in there. We're just trying to give you an overview of what you should be looking for. And then your information would go there. It'd be set up here. But with this particularly, the parent page or a page, the category here, you can say, you can assign a parent page. Why that's important, we get into in our WordPress SEO series, you see. And always remember, you don't have to use the default template. You can use whatever one of these templates you want for each page. However, what we will tell you is with full width pages, be careful because this will, depending on your settings, people won't be able to navigate around your site. There's a time and place for that, but just understand what you're dealing with that. So what you will do if you want to assign a parent page or a top level category is you say you are the CEO or founder. You say you want people to know about your company. That's what this page is for. But you also wanted to give a personal bio. You don't need folks, you do not need to put your bio or everything on your About Us page. Let's update that page and watch this. We'll view the page. And what you will notice here is, well, we have our top level page. Then we have this, and then we have CEO bio. So this is the parent page. And then this would be another sub page. And truthfully, you can make as many of these as you want. I wouldn't go any more than 3 deep. That's all I'll say about that. So just understand that you can assign pages. When you create new pages, you don't necessarily just have to let them be standalone pages if you don't want to. So keep that in mind when doing that. So with that said, let's go back to the home page. And this is all we have here. This is all we have here so far is just this paid search. So now that we've done that, and let me hurry to add this as it concerns categories. We'll go back to posts. Now you noticed about we went what I call 3 deep anyway. But when you go here, let's add a new page first. Learn search tips, and then we'll say we'll just make another page called keyword search, and then we'll publish it. Keeping in mind you want to put your information here, and then we'll go ahead and we'll publish that page real quick. Okay, and then we'll go back to all posts right here. Now, we made another page, correct? So let's go to let's click edit on your post, and you can do this with as many different posts as you want to. So now what you see is you have learn paid search there, and as you remember, let's go back. You just did another one called keyword search. What didn't we do here? What didn't we do here? Remember, we set the default category in another video tutorial. Folks, you have to, you see, you have to focus on this. Every time you create a page, it would behoove you to create a category. And that's all we're saying about that, and that's all we can say. So we will back up and we'll do keyword search. And we did that just to show you that you have to assign categories if you're going to get traffic. Keyword search. Now, this is what we're going to title this. Now, we'll go to the parent category, which you can also do with posts, and we'll say the parent category, the parent page is search tips. Now, and then we'll just update that, and don't ever forget your tags. Now that we are here, let's view the post, and let me tell you something real quick. For whatever reason with posts, you can assign a parent page, but when you try to view the post to make sure your parent page and your post is there, you won't see the parent category or parent page here. I don't know why that is, but what I do know is that search engines see it and they pick it up, and when it appears on the search engine, the parent category will be here, and then your sub page will be there. How will you know if you did things right? Well, when you start creating posts, let's go back to all posts, and then we will go to edit. The way to check on whether it was successful or not is to go to another post. Go down here, and then what you will see here is search tips. Remember, this was the this was the page and this was the parent. So when you see this, when you see here and then something up underneath like this at this angle, you will know it was successful and what you did was successful. So we're going to go back to all posts, and let's go ahead, and what you notice here is what we didn't put tags, and tags are great for on-site. Tags are great for on-site navigation. Let me tell you something. They are much hyped, and truthfully, over the years, we haven't found them to be of a lot of value for our page navigation. No matter how obvious we make them, they just aren't, but it's a good practice. So keyword search. Remember that. So you don't necessarily, I recommend assigning new categories for pages specific to the topic. However, there are some things that are general. Your site will have a theme, a focus, or whatever you want to call that. But I always recommend that you keep tags as few as possible, because if your site has a theme, you can make up 5 to 10 tags, and mostly everything will fit up under those. So with this, what we will do is go back to all posts, and then we will learn search tips, keyword search. Kind of the same, but not really. So you might say learn search tips, or you might create another category that says, and transfer this to your business, product, service, industry, called keyword. It could be called search techniques. That tag could be the same. That article could fit under the same tag as this, yet the categories could be different. Be as specific as possible. However, this is kind of different. So what we're going to do is we're going to go here, and then we're going to go down to tags, and we're going to make up a new tag called keyword tips or something like that. Again, it's for on